Right, now we want to update the data. Okay, all right. So here's what we are going to do. This is the file, right? This is your file with your data set, and right, this is for 1 to 5 December and 24 to 28 November. Now this data set, this summary file I have created for 1 to 5 December. You could verify it for yourself. And now what we want to do is update the data. um, you will just add a new sheet over here with the new dates, like 6 to 10 December, right, whatever it is. But for the purpose of this video and explaining it, I will use the data from 24 to 28 November. And you can see it has another buyer over here, Majid Osman, and this one already had Abdul Rahman, right? So let me show you how to update the data yourself. First you will go into this summary file that I have given you. Go to this data set sheet, go to query and hit edit. So for this query over here, 1 to 5 December, you will move over here, go to source, and you can see that this is the file path. We want to change it. This is referencing from weekly summary, but right now I'm in the backup folder, right? So how you could do this for yourself, just click on over here data source settings and change source. Go to browse, select the file path you have over here for this procurement team weekly report. This is in the backup file. This is my path, and I will click on import, click on OK, and then close. Just give it a moment and it will load. Is it loading or what? Yeah, it's loaded. This backup has been added. So now we want to change the date 1 to 5 December to 24 to 28 November. You will click over here in applied steps over here in navigation, and this part you will change to 24 to 28 November, whichever is the name of the sheet, and then just click enter. Give it a second, and you see this is Majid Osman that has been loaded over here. And just rename it to 24 to 28 November over here as well. And yeah, then moving on to assigned PRs, we have to follow the same steps. Fortunately enough, it's smart enough that the source has been changed from weekly summary to the new file path with the backup over here. But for navigation, you will still have to manually change. The same is for the next step, doing all those for the 4 queries. And for the data set, it has already been done over here, 24 to 28 November. Now if you think that these steps are quite complex, these might be, and there might just some errors arise from unstandardized data. If you get into those problems, you will just have to let me know, and we could work out something like weekly revisions on this and weekly edits on it, and I will do all these steps for you, just if these seem quite complex enough for you. So let's discuss how we can how I can do these steps for you on a weekly basis, and if there are any errors that might arise, I might be able to help with that too. And yeah, that's pretty much it from it. And then yeah, finally the last step is close and load, and this is the new data over here. Hopefully it worked. Anyways, let me just verify that this worked. And this is goodbye for now. I will now go ahead and verify that this changes worked or not. So yeah, take care. Goodbye.